I'm on the way to Michael's. Ooh, the sun is like... I'm on the way to Michael's to pick up some Mod Podge fabric because this one that I'm on the way to is the only one that has some. And they said that the material, the DIY that I want to do consists of getting me some fabric. So, my nerves. Move out the way. This one is a little different. I mean, they got a lot of stuff over here. We also need to be looking for some garland too. Oh, that Christmas ball. Oh, look at how pretty that one is. Look at that one. 14? Dang, $12.99 for these clove balls. And it's only one? And you only get one. That one is pretty too. They need to stop that. They got a little something for the alcohol. Oh, you know something? Let me get to that Mod Podge fabric before somebody takes that person that Mod Podge. Where is that? Let me speed up. Oh, wait a minute. These are pretty, these picks. Look at me getting distracted. That's how I end up messing up every single time. These are really, really pretty. I have to fly through here to get to what I need. I swear, every time I go to stop, I get distracted when I see like a lot of Christmas stuff, like the picks and stuff, because it's so pretty. Let's see. I'm supposed to be going to get the Mod Podge before there's nothing left. Oh, these are pretty too. Oh, I think that these are the ones that I was actually looking for. $6. Yeah, these are the ones. I think the colors are like champagne and gold. These are the ones right here that I'm gonna get. I'm like literally cutting corners to get around here. Where's the fabric? Fabric, okay, good. Found it. Oh, and they have 3 left. And the funniest thing is I called earlier because they said that they had 2 left on a website. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to place my order online. But I had to call and make sure. And she was like, no, there's 3 in here. And I was like, ooh, they also have like the big ones too. I'm definitely thinking of expanding my Mod Podge collection because they have Mod Podge for everything. Paper, outdoor, furniture. They also have some for picture transfer. This is the one I usually use. They charge $3 here for it? $2? Anyway. And they also have like the starter pack. Oh, let's see the brushes. They have brushes that you can buy with the collection. Yeah, these are the brushes, so they sold out. They also have sponges as well, but personally, I don't think it's worth always buying what the brand tells you to, just because they want you to buy their product. You can go ahead and use like any brush and stuff like that, but yeah. So happy I have this, and it's $9.99, but right now they're having 50% off, so $5. This is how it pretty much looks together, and these are the ones that I showed you guys that I got from Walmart. So these are from Michael's, and they kind of go hand in hand. And then these picks are really pretty to go with it as well, but they're really, really glittery, so that's why they're still in the bag. So I got the Mod Podge too, and this is a pretty big size, 8 fluid ounce. I could only find this little mirror today, but here's my outfit. My hair is big in this outfit. Mesh. I just want to say that this collection by My Texas House that I got the ornament set from, she has a beautiful collection. So if you guys want to shop her style at Walmart, I mean, look at this stuff, especially like this star in the ribbon. The ribbon is extra beautiful, especially this right here. And she has this tree stand collar. That's pretty as well. Let's see how this tree skirt looks, because I need a new tree skirt to go with the flock tree that I have. Yeah, that's pretty, but it's not it. And let's see, she also has this tree skirt too. Yeah, that's more like a cloth tree skirt, so that ain't it either. At this Walmart, I did pick up this gold, green, and red gift trim. Also these foam brushes. The Dollar Tree usually has them, but all of the Dollar Tree's craft stuff has been sold out for a while. So Walmart it is. I also went to the Dollar Tree too and forgot to talk through some of the things that I seen, but I seen these little cardboard storage boxes, marble. They are so cute. I love every design. I did not buy one because I did need it, but also because it was a little cheap, like just cardboard, lightweight, so you know, I just skipped out on this one. Then I seen some photo print paper. I did not know that they had photo paper at the Dollar Tree. In the makeup section, they had a bunch of new makeup from a brand called BI. I picked up some of those mascaras. Did you see how pretty that purple ombre one is? And I'm not into purples. I also picked up this rosy nude one. They had more of a brown tone one, but I skipped out on that one. And then you seen the metallic one. Then they had Flower Beauty lipsticks, but I did not like the rose color, so I did not pick it up. I was restraining myself from getting it. And by the way, these mascaras are not color mascaras. They're just regular, but the ombre packaging is what enticed me to get them. At this Dollar Tree, I did pick up these finger protectors because I'm always getting burnt or I'm getting something for my DIYs, and also this tree skirt I'm going to DIY. This was me on the way to Big Lots, but they did not have anything, so I didn't bother recording, but I moseyed on over to Home Goods and Hobby Lobby, and they had some amazing stuff, so I'm just going to let you guys see these things without me talking. The only thing I got in here was some snacks. They didn't have anything that I like really wanted for Christmas. I picked up me some tacolitos, which is like a knockoff of the Takis, and also some the kind chile tortilla chips. So yeah, you know, they good. Then the last place I went to was Hobby Lobby because I had to pick up a few things. I did pick up some fabrics, but I'm going to wait until my DIYs for Christmas so you guys can see those. But I also picked up some of these clear bowls as Christmas bowls as well.